Across South Africa and emerging markets, access to diagnostic healthcare remains a critical constraint. Millions of people are still required to travel long distances for basic radiology services, while healthcare systems continue to face growing pressure, infrastructure limitations, and increasing demand. This is not just a healthcare challenge. It is an infrastructure challenge, and it requires a new kind of solution. At Intelligent Medical Equipment, we have developed a scalable, off-grid mobile X-ray platform designed specifically for the realities of Africa. A solution that removes dependency on fixed infrastructure. Our platform enables high-quality digital X-ray imaging in rural, industrial, and underserved environments, while integrating seamlessly into modern digital healthcare systems through remote reporting and workflow optimization. It is engineered for African terrain, powered by the African sun, and equipped with integrated disinfection lighting that actively kills pathogens, enhancing safety for both patients and healthcare professionals. And built to deliver consistent, reliable performance in even the most demanding conditions. The opportunity is significant, from occupational health and mining sectors to public healthcare systems, NGOs, and cross-border programs. The demand for accessible, scalable diagnostic services continues to grow. What truly differentiates this platform is not only its clinical capability. It is its ability to scale. Each unit deployed extends healthcare access. Each deployment reduces system pressure, and each rollout creates a multiplier effect across communities, industries, and regions. Beyond healthcare delivery, this platform represents a strategic opportunity for South Africa. An opportunity to strengthen local manufacturing, to develop specialized technical skills, and to build a sustainable, export-ready medical technology sector. With the right strategic support, this solution can move rapidly from targeted deployments to national scale and ultimately to continental expansion. Unlocking access, creating jobs, driving innovation, and delivering measurable impact where it is needed most. This is more than an investment in a product. It is an investment in scalable infrastructure, in economic development, and in the future of healthcare delivery across Africa. IME Group, delivering healthcare infrastructure wherever it is needed.